2023 GMC Acadia. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, Bluetooth. Stop by for a test drive and feel the difference.